How to use the not link section. The first things, what is the not link section? This is actually something that you will use if you want your actual site to be under construction, or you want to use it as temporary storage or secondary contents or testing a new homepage. So it's not directly linked and you can find it right here into your navigation bar, but it's still accessible if you want it to be. So if you want, you can just find first the pages panel on your WordPress editor. You can see it right there. You can see our setup guide, and in here we can see our actual website. So what we can do is we can head over first into our website and changing here the links we wish to use. Click right here into the website option and click right here under the pages. Now it will display all of the pages that you have. Currently, we have the not link option for the home page and store page. Now in here, you can actually add those right here into the main navigation if you would want. So you can create a new one by clicking onto this plus icon, or you can also just move some of this into your navigation menu. Once you move that, they will actually appear right here into your menu. And from in there, you should be able to have it ready in here as you can see. If you want to create a new one, just head over and click onto this plus and create it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.